Hi, my name is Stacy with WTI, and I am here to share with you the joy of cooking with a ceramic cast iron bread pan like this one. This is from WEES CK, and I have to say I'm so impressed by how well that everything cooks in it and how easy it is to clean. This cast iron pot is fully glazed. You can see it has this beautiful blue color, and they have other colors as well. What's really neat about cast iron is that it cooks so evenly, and you'll find that is definitely the case with this great cast iron pan. I have used this pan for baking bread, and also I made a meatloaf in it, and everything was cooked so well in the pan. The pan is nice and deep as well, so you can really fit in lots of your recipe in this pan. I also like it because it really keeps everything hot even when you take it out of the oven, but as it keeps the food warm, it doesn't dry anything out. The pan is also super easy to clean. Not only is it dishwasher safe, but you'll find just from cleaning it in your sink that whatever food residue is on the pan, it comes off so easily. I really love the glaze on this because you really don't have to worry about your food sticking to the pan, but also it just cooks so well and comes out of the pan easily as well. When you start cooking with cast iron, you'll really notice such a big difference in your cooking, and you will not feel like you've been cheated at all with this wonderful pan from WEES CK. But that's just my point of view.